Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my experience with the new Nykaa Natural Apple Cider Vinegar shampoo as well as the conditioner. The product was sent to me in the PR by Nykaa. It doesn't mean that I'm sold and you're not going to discover something new here and you're going to discover the same old thing. If you haven't checked my Instagram review on these two products, then you should, because that review has gone up on my channel quite some time back. It's just that some of you just pinpointed on YouTube videos that why haven't you reviewed these two products and have you used it or not, because I'm assuming that you're not on Instagram. So this video is for everyone, and I think not everything can be written. It's better to just say it out loud. So if you're still interested in these two products and you want to know all about them, then keep on watching. Now yes, these products were sent to me in the PR by Nykaa, so thank you to Nykaa for sending these across. I have been using these from 21st January itself. Why am I particular on the date? Because I remember it, because I did film my Amla oil application and I received the product that evening and I did use the product from that day, and I have used these products together. I have used these two products from Alternate brand as well, so you will know everything in detail. Now talking about the packaging on the shampoo and the conditioner, let's remove the conditioner. Shampoo, I really like the packaging. It is something different, out of the box, not typically made, and the packaging is recyclable. I really like the whole theme, very simple, very chic, very minimalist. It has all the details on the box. Saying simple and chic doesn't mean that they're missing on details. Everything is here with the ingredient list as well. And the conditioner, it's a very basic packaging. You get it in many brands, so I like the packaging here as well. So packaging ke to 10 on 10. Now these products are free from parabens, SLS, SLES, and they are cruelty free. Nykaa as a whole is a cruelty free and a vegan brand. They have 100% natural actives, and there are a few more details, like they do not have anything like additional added mineral oils or added color, or for that matter they are phthalate free as well. All in all, natural based shampoo with all the chemical ingredients out of them, like parabens and mineral oils. They can really add up to the whole chaos of hair care. So yes, they have really looked into everything and they have kept in mind what a natural shampoo should give. So ingredients, the packaging, everything is definitely on point. And you get 200 ml of product in the shampoo, wherein you pay $3.99, and in the conditioner you get 180 ml of product and you pay $3.99. All in all, the pricing is also on a same pace with many other brands nowadays. I don't see any brand making a shampoo for 200 rupees. Yes, you do not compare this with your Sunsilk and Clinic Plus, or for that matter Pantene. Aajkal to Dove wala shampoo bhi महंगा मिलता है. So everything is in the range of $3.99, $4.99. So packaging, pricing, ingredients, being cruelty free, vegan, really fits the whole and natural theme of hair care routine. Now before I share my experience, the apple cider vinegar shampoo and conditioner are made for people who have dry scalp, who have a lot of dead skin happening, who feel a little heavy on the scalp. If you want to just give more of a cleaner scalp to yourself, a more lighter one, and do not want to feel creasy after one day wash of hair, then this is the range to go for. The onion one, the onion and the fenugreek one, is for the people who want to promote hair growth, want to add shine to the hair, as well as have a control on their hair fall as well. So onion and fenugreek is made for people like me. Now since the product was sent to me in the PR, so I had to use this one just to check out what it does to my hair. Talking about the texture of the shampoo and the conditioner, they are literally very creamy, smooth and buttery, and with the shampoo you get a lot of foam. So with the natural shampoo, you getting a lot of foam is an added advantage or a benefit to many of you, because whenever I talk about natural shampoos and conditioner on my channel, everybody has this very basic complaint that since the foam is not there, you do not feel that your hairs are washed. So Nykaa has nailed it for you. You will get a lot of foam and you will definitely feel that your hairs are washed and you will definitely feel lighter on the scalp with the hair as well. So shampoo will definitely give a nice clean scalp and you will feel lighter as well. As you start using the shampoo, for some days you will feel that your dead skin and for that those white flakes which starts forming, that is also reducing. I have used the shampoo with the conditioner. I did not like the finish of my hair when I applied the conditioner, because the conditioner on the other hand just detangles my hair and doesn't add any kind of smoothness. Instead, I do feel a little dehydrated in my hair. So when I use this conditioner, both the products together, they do not go well. So I did try the shampoo with another conditioner and it works absolutely wonderful, and I just feel so good. Now today's wash, like yesterday evening's wash, also I did with Nykaa shampoo and I did use another conditioner. So you can see a nice shine is there and my hair feels so good. And I have used the conditioner with another shampoo and it works absolutely well. But for my hair concern, this is not the range I should have personally gone for. I would have gone for the onion range, because if you have been following me, you know I have been dedicatedly using only onion based shampoos and conditioners, even for that matter my hair oil. So I would like to definitely try the onion and the fenugreek one. Coming down to the conditioner, as I said, conditioner just helps me to detangle the hair. It doesn't add any kind of smoothness or shine. But if you have hair concerns wherein you have dead skin, dryness, and you don't have those hair fall issues but you have a lot of frizziness happening, then I think this shampoo and conditioner would go well with your hair type. So since it was just sent to me, they do not know my hair texture, so they don't know what to send me. But these two products works good. I have loved the shampoo. I have a mixed feeling on the conditioner, just because my hair doesn't need this conditioner. I would definitely enjoy the onion one. I know it because I have been using the onion range for my hair care, because I look out for a shampoo and a conditioner which promotes hair growth, reduces hair fall, and just give me right amount of shine and smoothness. That you will definitely get from the onion and the fenugreek one. The shampoo and conditioner has a mildest fragrance which is very gentle, and you really feel that you did your hair wash in the parlor. Yes, you heard me right. It is not overly powdery. It is not going to give you any kind of nauseating feeling as well. So I really like the fragrance on the shampoo and conditioner, as well as it rinses off quickly. I would say the shampoo and the conditioner both rinses off very quickly. You don't need a lot of water to rinse this conditioner also. So all in all, the texture, the formula, the performance has been good on both the products, the shampoo and the conditioner. But I have told you, or I would say I have shared my experience with the product. So now you have to know your hair concerns, your scalp concerns, and decide for yourself which variant you would like to go for. I would love to go for the onion and the fenugreek one. I continue using the shampoo and the conditioner both. I'm still using both of them because I like it for my hair. It's just that I use it with different variants of shampoos and conditioner from different brands. All in all, Nykaa has done a really wonderful job here with the hair care product. They did not get too many variants. That's a good thing because they're not confusing you. They have just got two perfectly blended variants, apple cider vinegar and ginger, onion and fenugreek. I will leave everything in my description if you want to grab one for yourself. Do let me know if this review helped you in any way. I will be here soon with some more reviews, some more skincare, some more hair care products. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @BronzingGeek, and do check out my Instagram review as well. That I will link it in my description. I will see you in my next one. Till then, ta-da!